Since the dawn of time, preserving the essence of life has been our greatest challenge. From primitive seashells holding a drop of water to woven bamboo baskets and ancient terracotta jars buried in the earth, we used what nature provided. We sealed our harvest with beeswax and wrapped our food in lush green leaves. Wooden chests gathered dust as we moved toward the first hand-blown glass jars, forged in the heat of the fire. We fought against the invisible enemy, the air that spoils our food, until the 20th century revealed a new secret. In the quiet of the laboratory, the first polymer chains were sketched, changing everything forever. Pristine, resin beads fell through the hands of scientists, giving birth to the first plastic containers of the 1950s. Though early designs were heavy and opaque, they promised a world where a single drop of water could not penetrate, and a family's meal could stay fresh for longer than ever imagined. The sands of time stretched as we optimized weight and perfected the polymer structure. We moved toward total transparency, guided by the blue light of innovation and the power of polypropylene. With the arrival of the number 5 recycling symbol, we found a safe, durable, and sustainable way to protect our nourishment. The earthy tones of ancient pottery now fade into the brilliant white of the modern factory. From a bird's-eye view, the industrial lungs of our facility begin to breathe. Pneumatic pipes hum with energy as the mechanical rhythm takes hold, and the LED lights signal that the system is ready for creation. It begins with pure white polypropylene resin. Automated robots slice through the packaging, pouring the beads into massive hoppers where they are vacuum-fed through a network of tubes. Every grain is dried to eliminate moisture before vivid masterbatch colors are added with mathematical precision to create a uniform blend. Mechanical mixers create a flawless harmony of color as optical analyzers verify the purity of the raw materials. In the heart of the machine, a rotating screw melts the resin into a fluid state. Pressure gauges remain steady as a multi-ton steel mold closes with a thunderous strike, ready to receive the molten soul of the product. Liquid plastic is injected under extreme pressure, filling every corner of the mold. Cooling water circulates through internal channels, setting the form in seconds. As the mold opens, the newly born containers emerge. Vacuum-powered robotic arms lift them with a gentle touch, while a faint mist of warmth rises from the fresh plastic. Waste is trimmed with surgical accuracy as the containers are stacked onto green conveyors. Nearby, the four-sided locking lids are born from their own molds. Liquid food-grade silicone is injected to create the seals, colorful, elastic barriers that are the final defense against the outside world. Robots fit the silicone seals into the lids with total precision, followed by a series of mechanical stress tests. We verify the elasticity of every seal and assemble the locking latches. Under intense inspection lamps, we check for transparency before water-filled units are spun at high speeds to prove they are leak-proof. We subject our containers to extreme heat and freezing temperatures of -20 degrees. A robotic arm clicks the locks 10,000 times, and vacuum tests verify the airtight seal underwater. Every gram is weighed on digital scales, ensuring that our consistency is as solid as the plastic we forge. Every surface is scanned for microscopic bubbles. We silkscreen essential information, microwave and freezer safety, directly onto the base. UV lights cure the ink instantly, before ionized air clear away the static. This is where high technology meets the daily ritual of a clean and organized kitchen. The lid and body meet with a crisp, satisfying click. Final hand inspections by specialists in white gloves ensure only perfection is packed. Sustainability is integrated at every station. Scrap resin is instantly reground and diverted to non-food production, while centralized cooling systems run in silent efficiency. Robotic arms maintain the steel molds, while HEPA filters purify the cleanroom air. Above us, solar panels harvest the sun's energy to power our facility. Autonomous vehicles navigate the aisles with intelligence, avoiding every obstacle as our control screens display the pulse of our energy-saving success. In the quiet sanctuary of the lab, we verify every ultra-smooth weld and copper cooling pipe. Polypropylene beads dance through pneumatic tubes as laser scanners measure the exact thickness of every wall. We observe the molten flow through protective glass, a vision of molten steel and glowing plastic working in harmony. Every detail, from the stackable design to the size-coded labels, is managed by robots. Shrink wrap machines protect the pallets as central vacuums keep the floor pristine. We strip down sample units to analyze the internal structure, proving that behind the simple shell lies a world of sophisticated science. Silicone seals are compressed and latches are pulled to the limit. We stack the finished products in a smart warehouse where every box is a testament to order. An experienced craftsman looks on with pride, seeing the vibrant colors of the masterbatch transformed into an army of pristine, colorful guardians. Palletized by giants and verified by AI, every shipment is the result of a tireless cycle. We monitor the liquid resin for impurities and tighten every screw of the mold. From the heat of high noon to the cold steel of the press, the factory remains a monument to the safety and transparency of modern food storage. As the temperature stays steady at 230 degrees, the final containers emerge like plastic crystals. Molds are swapped by robots, and surfaces gleam under the factory lights. The workday concludes with a fleet of electric forklifts moving through the hall, carrying a successful harvest to the world. In the quiet of a modern kitchen, purity finds its home. Fresh greens are nestled within, protected by a seal that keeps time at bay. Every drop of dew on the lid reflects a commitment to freshness, a world where we reduce waste and cherish the nourishment we provide for our families. Peace of mind comes from an organized life. As we recycle our past to build a circular future, we begin to dream of bioplastics and sustainable growth. From the curious touch of a hand to the sunrise hitting a transparent shelf, we are building a bridge between technology and the earth. We see a world of hope, where every healthy meal is a victory for the next generation. From the quest for net zero to the safe touch of an orange-scented resin, we are refining our world. The factory fades into the green horizon, preserving the flavor, protecting the planet.